Good day. My name is Jason Winters, Critical Care Paramedic at Keystone Quality Transport, and I've been asked to speak to you today about deconning your ambulance at the start of your shift. Also, deconning your ambulance following a contact with a patient, as well as your equipment such as your stretcher, stethoscopes that may be used, or monitors in the case of ALS. The material that we're going to use to decontaminate our ambulance today include the material that we wore into the facility, including our gown, gloves, N95, and goggles. In order to decon the vehicle, we first open the doors and we use one of our two decontamination products. We have a mister bottle with the solution, cleaning solution that will kill the agents, and we have our sanitation wipes. The sanitation wipes are to be used unless a mister bottle is available. If the mister bottle is available, we use the mister bottle instead. In these demonstrations, you will see the usage of sanitation wipes or a mister bottle. One method is not preferred over the other. These are just the utensils that are on hand at the time. The key factor to both of these methods is to allow the solution to dry on the surface. You do not wipe them off. We continue the demonstration showing wiping down of the back door as well as the handles. This can be missed easily on a pass-through and should have special attention paid to it. This is only when using the hand wipes. When using the mister bottle, we're going to continue to spray the area, leaving a gentle mist and allowing it to air dry, allowing the contact to kill any and all pathogens that it comes into contact with. We continue showing areas of concern such as the disposal area, the cracks between the seat cushion and the bench, and seat belts. These areas should be misted down or wiped down with a sanitation wipe following all transports. We mist down the stretcher horn as it is an area that can easily be missed and allow pathogens to continue. The ceiling also has to be decontaminated and be allowed to air dry, whether using wipes or the mister bottle. Again, pick one method and stick with it throughout the cleaning process of the ambulance. Take your time and allow the area to air dry. We'll continue using the mister bottle as well as wiping to demonstrate the areas that can easily be missed with both areas, such as the straps, the hinges on the guardrails, as well as the scissor lift, grab bars, and wheels. These are particularly of special importance as they can pick up pathogens and continue to carry them throughout the rest of the day. We're showing, again, usage of both methods so that you can make your choice as to which is best for you based on the supplies that you are currently issued, whether that is a mister bottle or sanitation wipes. We want to continue to use one or the other method and stick with that method in our expertise as we get more accustomed to using these methods. Neither method is superior to one or the other. These are just based on the supplies that you have at hand. Areas such as the handle are again easily missed and forgotten about, and we are showing again the scissor lift being wiped down because this can easily be missed, as well as the wheels with wipes. These are areas of special concern. Finally, we will show you the correct method on how to doff your basic PPE, such as your goggles, N95, and gown. Start by decontaminating your hands, removing your goggles, and wiping them down with the wipes, making sure to get all surfaces. This includes the headband, as well as the front and inside of the glasses. This is to prevent any issues or build up pathogens on the surfaces. Once you've completed wiping the goggles down, you can place them off to the side to air dry. Again, contact is what kills this. They need approximately 10 minutes of airtime to dry and properly kill all pathogens that may have built up on the surface. We're not looking for saturation, just to get enough moisture on there to allow the surface to remain moist for several minutes to kill all pathogens. We place it off to the side. At this point, we again hand sanitize and we remove our N95 mask, placing it back in our bag so that it can be used again later. We are looking to keep the mask from getting visibly soiled and difficult to breathe through. These are signs that the mask needs to be replaced. We secure it in its bag and place it off to the side. At this point, we now are safe to remove our gown. Just grab and pull it off. These are easy rip and tear gowns. We fold it in upon itself and we place it into a biohazard disposal bag, making sure not to get any soiling or flora, fauna anywhere else. At this point, we now can finally remove our gloves after a final round of hand sanitation. We start by using our non-dominant hand to remove the dominant hand's glove, and then slip our fingers underneath the non-dominant hand and fold the gloves in upon themselves, making sure not to touch the outside, and we properly dispose of them. Thank you very much for watching this video. I have been Jason Winters, and if you have any problems, questions, comments, or concerns, please direct them to the following individuals for any clarification. Have a good day.